Welcome back, Medusa Balisong here, once again. Today we are doing an unboxing of a knife that has a lot of hype for it, as seems to be popular with my channel these days. I keep getting new knives that everybody says are amazing. That was bad. And so I wanted to unbox it and give some first impressions. That sort of situation. So let's see what we've got in here. Use the Frankenforge, which has a nice sharp edge on it. Is that going to do it? Oh no, I gotta get the sides first. Excellent. Peanuts. Alright, here we go. What kind of box is this? This is cool. Fellowship. We'll throw that away to make sure I don't dox myself. Thank you, Squiggle Frankenret. Been great. So this is a Fellowship. What kind of Fellowship is it? We will find out right now. First, I want to say this is from flipping. I definitely dropped a knife on this bed while I was flipping over it. That's hilarious. But popping this open. Oh, that mirror polish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is, obviously, a Medusa. Oh, did you hear that? We have a contender to be best sounding Balisong. Gonna be fighting up against the Reaper, I see. Jesus Christ. So this is a Fellowship Blades Medusa that has been mirror polished by the previous owner. Now I'm going to throw out a little bit of a weight test on this. We've got handle bias, of course, with a little bit of blade heaviness because of how thick this blade is, but still a good amount of handle bias. Man, that blade is thick. That is a thick ass blade. See, kind of amazing blade. This was purchased secondhand. This was not purchased firsthand. Oh my god, it just rings non-stop. I hope the camera's picking that up. That is insane. Holy mackerel. Nope. Nope. This has amazing grip. I love the grip on this. It's very simple. The milling pattern is very simple, but it's very conducive to a lot of grip. Right, this is the first time I'm ever flipping this thing, and it feels natural. It feels very natural. Good chaplain for days, easily. No question about that. What about some more tricks? Oh, almost. Whew. Wow. Usually when I do an unboxing, I don't just flip it without talking. This thing flips. I should probably show you some views of the knife. I probably should have done that first. S35VN, number 37. That mirror polish is just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Play is insanely good. Hardly any. No tap. Absolutely no tap. Great jimping. Not blocky, more rectangular handles with the good little bevels on the sides. I might have to do like a video that compares best sounding Balisongs. This thing is, I don't think the Black Balisong Reaper does that. This thing rings as you're flipping it and it doesn't stop. The Black Balisong Reaper will do some rings here and there. This thing just rings like crazy. And I'm really surprised how much this looks like a Bally Knives Telesto. But it is gorgeous. It feels amazing. I have never flipped this before, but it feels like I've flipped this thing for years, just playing with it right now, right? It's got great bias. You can do weird chaplains, vertical chaplains, horizontal chaplains. Do some 0G chaplains. Some reverse 0G chaplains, thumb chaplains, You can drop it. Wow. I don't know what else to say about this much, you know? Will it do this trick? The something? It will. Will it do it shut? That's an important question, right? Alright, screw it. I'm gonna go get the scale. Alright, we've got the scale here. Say hi to Eric Andre and Danny DeVito there. Pop that down. 4.44. I like that. I like that. 4 is one of my favorite numbers. 4.44. 444, 4444. Let's look at this length actually while we're at it. Squiggle rep next to Medusa. The Medusa is longer in both blade and handle. Little bit in the blade, a lot of bit in the handle. And for someone with big hands like me, that's amazing. Okay, first impressions. Flips like I've been flipping it for years. Second wind chime 2.0 next to the Reaper. Amazing weight at 4.44, great length. I don't see any negatives with this. First impressions, of course. Wait for the review if you want the full opinion after I've played with it for a month or so. Yeah, really not much more to say. This is better than I ever expected it could be. And I guess it just might be worth the hype. That is Fellowship Blades Medusa. See you guys in the next video.